Hey, what's up guys? Today I'll be showing you a 10 horsepower Coleman PowerMate Briggs and Stratton generator. It outputs 5,000 watts power base. Well, the problem with this was it wasn't getting any fuel in the carburetor, and the fuel was so dirty in the fuel tank that it clogged up the carburetor and the fuel filter, and that was preventing it from starting it. And also the problem with it was that this wasn't flowing right. Like, it wasn't equal enough, so you gotta tilt it more up and then it'll pour in more fuel. Because if I start it like this all the way down here, it won't start on cold. But if I put this there, because there's no primer bulb on this engine, so I have to use this method and somehow modify it so it stays up like that. Alright guys, I'm gonna be starting it up right now. Alright, let's start it up. Alright guys, so that's the video of this 10 horsepower generator. Alright guys, see you in the next video and stay tuned for more content. This engine, I got it to run, finally. Alright, see you guys.